If you don't give me your license, that's all I'm asking.
I'm going to give you my state ID. Be getting an attorney for this because because you harassed me. You want to take this or you want to just look at it? Okay, so much. Thank you.
A simple drive turned into a roadside interrogation. A U-turn here, a dark tint there, and suddenly, he's a suspect. Surrounded by flashing lights, questions flew faster than answers. But beneath it all stood one man, calm, clear, and ready to defend his rights. This wasn't just a traffic stop. It was a test of patience, dignity, and the line between power and justice.
All right, can I ask you what I'm getting pulled over for? I haven't had one drop of liquor at all today. Can I ask you what I'm getting pulled over for? Because I noticed at the stoplight you did a U-turn and I pulled over, you passed me, and then you drove approximately half a mile down the street, and once I turned left, you did another U-turn. Can I ask you what I'm being pulled over for?
Can I see your license, please?
I have a right to know what I'm being pulled over for.
You also have a right to provide me with your license, please. Once you provide me with your license, I'll be more than happy.
I'm pretty sure that's actually, you know what? Can I speak? Is your supervisor
here? If you don't give me your license, okay, this is gonna happen. I'm gonna open this door. I'm gonna take you into custody for obstruction.
Obstruction.
Right now,
that's really funny. Obstruction of justice. That's
you're obstructing my job right
okay,
now. All I'm going to give for your license. That's all I'm asking.
I'm going to give you my state ID, and I'm going to tell you I have a valid Arizona driver's license.
That's fine. If you're valid,
I am valid. I am valid. Here's my information. Will you accept my?
If you're gonna give it to me, yes. I'm more than happy to extend.
Now, may I ask what I'm being pulled over for?
So the reason why you're being pulled over is your dark tinted windows, right? Obviously, you bought the car like this because I noticed you got a temp tag, right? Did the car come like this?
You can say obvious or not, but that's okay regardless.
Okay. Did you just buy the vehicle?
No, I bought the vehicle in 2017.
Okay. So the reason why I'm asking you because I don't like citing people for tinted windows, but since you've been having the vehicle and you didn't just purchase it, most likely you're gonna get a citation for tinted. Okay, so hang tight.
So now, I do. So while it's recorded, to be clear, I was traveling northbound. You were traveling southbound. You did a U-turn. At which point I was pulled over on the side of the road.
So for the
you drove approximately 1/4 mile past. And once I started driving again, I turned on my left turn signal to turn west. At which point you did a U-turn. You sped way faster than you needed to go on a residential street to catch up to me.
You got your tint meter? So here.
You know what? I don't need a tint meter. I'll tell you right now, it's 5%.
Okay.
That's on camera too. You can write me a ticket for 5%.
No, and I will.
I'm gonna give you my proof of insurance right now, and I want my ticket, and I want you to let me go, and I want to let you know that I will absolutely be getting an attorney for this because
Here, let me ask you this. You have tinted on the car?
Do I have tint on the car?
Yes. You have tinted. You just said that it's 5%, correct?
Correct.
Okay. So there you go.
And you harassed me for that ticket. You harassed me for that ticket.
No, it's a traffic stop. That's fine.
I understand, and you harassed me to pull me over.
Do you have tinted windows on the car?
I have tinted windows. Yes, I do.
Okay, so how's that harassing?
How's that harassing? Because you waited for an opportunity to pull me over.
No, I had the opportunity. You've been having tinted windows since you drove this car.
Right, so why didn't you pull me over when you did the U-turn?
That's none of your concern.
Right, because you harassed me. You want to take this or you want to just look at it? Okay,
so much.
Thank you. Write me the ticket so I can get on my way. You don't need it. It's 5%. It's on video. It's 5% tint. It's a legal tint.
He handed over every document, spoke with respect, and stood his ground. Hours later, the ticket came, but so did something greater. A reminder to all watching, silence isn't weakness, and questions deserve answers. He didn't raise his voice. He raised awareness. And sometimes that's louder than any siren. Here is another case.
Roland Garcia, what are you doing?
Don't get close to me. Hey, you can take all the video. Don't get close to me.
What are you doing, bro? Relax. Watch how you talk to me, bro. Watch how you treat me, bro. You're unprofessional. I'm here on official business. Yeah. Do that again.
Ooh.
Again?
Ooh.
He came with a court order, clear, stamped, and ready. But instead of resolution, he met resistance. Excuses changed, attitudes shifted, and officials deflected. What began as a simple request turned into a power struggle. The camera rolled, so did the truth.
What's your name and your position? Because I don't like your attitude. Sir, can you identify, please? Roland Garcia. What are you doing,
Don't
sir?
get close to me. Hey, you can take all the video you want. Don't get close to me. You got close to me. Don't get
What
close to me.
are you doing to? What are you doing?
Don't get close to me.
Relax, bro.
You can don't tell me what to do. You can film all you want, but don't get close to me.
What's wrong with you, bro? Relax. I'm trying to file a complaint on you. I want to file a complaint on you.
You file all the complaints you want. Don't get close to me.
What are you doing, bro? Relax, bro.
That's all I'm telling you.
You're being disorderly.
You don't know what disorderly is, man.
You are being disorderly.
Right.
What's your name so I can file a complaint on you?
You already saw it, didn't you?
There. Watch how you talk to me, bro. Watch how you treat me, bro. You're unprofessional. I'm here on official business.
Yeah, you're an official. What's your official business?
I'm here to pick up a cell phone.
What's your official business? Are you an official? Are you an official of what? You're an official of what? What are you an official of?
Yes, sir.
Okay, tomorrow's gonna bring it down and give it to him outside.
You're an official of what? What are you an official of?
I explained everything to you. I'm here to pick up a phone.
Bring it down and give it to him.
Sir, can I have your name to file a complaint? Sir, can I have your name to file a complaint?
Complaint for what?
Because you guys are being discourteous and unprofessional. Can I have your name, please?
Nobody's disrespected you.
Yes, sir, he did.
And
You have to identify by state law. What's your name, sir?
listen, don't come here antagonizing us.
I'm not antagonizing. I'm here on official business, and you guys are giving me attitude. Can I have your name, please?
Listen, I'm being cordial with you, man.
Yes, I want you're being cordial, but you want to
I'm not
identify.
gonna be subject to your shenanigans.
I'm not shenanigans. I'm asking for your name to file a complaint.
Tamayo's gonna be here. Give your friend his phone outside.
I would like to file an official complaint on you, sir. And can I have your name? You'll throw it in my face, but you want to identify. Now I have a question. Can I film here? Yes or no? If not, I'll turn off my camera.
Problem.
Well, you're the one getting near me, bro. You're the one getting near me.
Let's do this.
You're getting near me.
Let's go. Come on. Get near me.
You're getting near me. You're getting near me, sir.
Come on.
I have
Let's do this.
everything
We'll
on
do this
camera.
all day
You
long.
see who's getting near me? Look, I'm gonna take a step back. He's the one getting near me, bro.
Don't film any of the people.
Do that again.
Ooh.
Again?
Ooh.
You see? Unprofessional government employees.
Then again, let me see your ID.
Yes, sir. I'm here on official business. Wait, this motion is from my friend that's outside, not from me. He wants to come in to pick up his property, but he wants to talk to Tamayo first.
No talking. I'm just gonna give him the phone.
Okay. He wants to file a complaint, though. I want to file a complaint. Why are you getting close to me? He tells me not to get close to him. I walk away and he gets close to me. I don't want any problems, sir, please. I just want to pick up the phone and leave. We went to the police station and they said that they don't have it. So that's why we came over here. But we don't want to be here. That was signed by Judge Treywick about 2 weeks ago. Right across the street, and it's certified. We took it to we had to take it upstairs to get certified. So, and he had 2 phones. The police department released 1 phone. He just needs 1 more. Yes, sir. Yeah, Judge Treywick signed it.
His name is printed right here.
No, Judge Treywick signed it. He already had 1 phone released, and it's on camera. We have it on camera. He picked up 1 phone at Miami-Dade
Where's the
Police.
signature from the judge?
The judge signed it because they released the phone. It's right across the
I'm
street.
asking you, where's the signature?
If you want, I could bring Joey inside.
No, I'm just saying, where's the signature from the judge, though? There's no signature from the judge.
I'm telling you, it's certified.
But there's no signature from a judge on it.
I believe there is, sir.
I'm looking at it, man.
Well, this came from Judge Treywick. We will not falsify documents. Are you accusing us of falsifying documents? No, I'm saying, are you accusing us of a crime? Sir, it needs to be, it has to have the signature before it gets, before you get the certified stamp, it has to be signed by the judge.
You want to show me where the judge's signature is?
Sir, I'm just explaining to you. I don't want to be I feel like you're being disrespectful to me, sir. I'm just showing you the paper. Look how he laughs like a little girl. Keep giggling like a little girl. That's what you're doing. You're being very unprofessional, sir.
Wait a minute. You just called me a little girl. So who's being disrespectful right now? Who's being disrespectful right now?
I'm not going to answer any questions.
Why don't you answer?
I'm not going to answer any questions.
So, you're the one that's just disrespectful.
Sir, can you please step back? Please.
Step back.
I'm asking you to step back,
Step
please.
back.
Please, I'm asking you to step back. I'm trying to be very nice to you guys. I just came here for official business. I don't want any problems.
Is there a judge's signature on it?
There's no judge's signature.
Sir, are you accusing me of a crime? Then charge me, please. If you're accusing me of a crime, please charge me. We'll go back to the judge. I'll show the judge this video, and he'll sign another order. I promise you.
All right, well, I think he might have to go sign another order and come back on Monday.
All right, but you told me to wait for Tamayo, right?
Yeah, but there's no need. There's no judge's signature.
Sir, listen, I don't want to do this again. Can we just get it over with now so we don't have to do this again?
Yeah, take a look at this. Does this require a judge's signature?
That's a motion for return of property. I'm sorry.
Does this require a judge's signature?
This guy's crazy.
For
If you guys want me to leave the building, tell me and I'll leave the building.
I don't see a judge's signature.
Am I being trespassed?
Stay the building.
But you told me to wait for tomorrow.
Apparently, I'm reading this paperwork. There's no judge's signature.
Sir, it's certified. Okay. Can I speak to your boss, please? Can I speak to a supervisor?
There's a supervisor right here.
Yeah, that's why they showed it there.
Okay. I'm gonna go to the judge's courtroom. If he signs it, can I come back?
Yeah.
The judge is across the street.
According to him, who's also an attorney, he's saying that's.
We went to the we went to the police
Go get a
department.
judge's
We went to the police
signature. Go get the
department. They
judge's
say they don't have it.
Okay, yeah, he says that you need to go back to the judge, have him sign it.
All right, ma'am. And who are you? Because you don't have a uniform or a badge. Can I have your name?
Investigator Schuster.
Thank you.
The phone wasn't the issue. Respect was. They stalled, mocked, and danced around duty. Still, he stood calm, firm, and unshaken. In that moment, it wasn't about a device. It was about dignity. And dignity never begs. It records. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more real stories that matter.